So this is a type of question where you have to find area of triangle ABC or ADE using area concept with a little proportionality theorem. So they should have been given at least one of area of triangle ABC or ADE to find the other one. So if I say, suppose area of ADE is 20. How do you find the area of ABC? I'll use the proportionality concept to find the area of ABC. I will say ABC is equal to 3 by 8, that's 3 plus 5 the denominator, into 2 by 5, that's 2 plus 3 in the denominator, into ADE. So 3 by 8 into 2 by 5 into 20. That's the area of ABC. 5, 5, 5. That's 3. 3 is the area of triangle ABC. So such concepts can be used and remembered in such type of questions where you have been given the sides as in ratio. You can just find the area using proportionality method.